Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Share with your friends. Hit that little notification bell so you can get notified when new patterns release. All our videos are available in left and right-handed tutorials.
Hi guys, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal.
I'm Jolie.
And Jolie's going to join me today for an unboxing. So first we are going to be doing the unboxing, and then afterwards I'm going to show you guys some projects that we have upcoming that are in testing or going to be going into testing soon. Okay, first we have this really large box. I ordered from Michaels. Michaels had some yarn on clearance for 50% off. So I ordered lots and lots of Mandala Tweed. Really, really pretty yarn. I've not worked with it before, but I've fallen in love with the colors that I see online. So we got a few different colors and we're gonna see how Jolie likes them today. All right, Jo, you can do the honors.
Oh, on both sides. Wow. So nice.
Forgive our morning hair.
Break the box. Break them.
All right, so pick up your favorite one first.
My
And
favorite?
then, oh, this doesn't say the color. That's okay, the color is on the straps. Ooh, so hold it like this so everybody can see it. I hope it's not too dark. This one is really pretty. It is called Dragonfly. Now this Mandala Tweed stripes comes in 5.3 ounces, 426 yards per cake. That's a really good size for a cake like this. It is a 4-weight yarn. 100% acrylic, machine washable, dryable. The color, like I said, is Dragonfly Mandala Tweed. It goes from like grays and blues. Now tweed is because it's got like 2 colors in between, like stripped together, and then it blends outward. So we got several balls of these. What do you think we can make with this?
I think we could probably make a blanket because we have at least like 3 or 2.
1, 2.
Is this one?
Yeah, that's one too.
It is. Oh, this one's more flat.
Yeah.
Just noticed that.
Because it was sitting on the bottom. So we have 3?
Yep, 3.
All right, 3 of those ones. Next we have, what's your next favorite color?
This beautiful, beautiful yellowish, pinkish, and bluish. I do not know how to read the colors, so what do you?
So the color's right here above the barcode. This is in Cat's Eye. Now I had a tester make our Puff Garden shawl in this color and it came out beautifully. I'll leave a photo of it on there so you can see exactly what it looks like worked up. But it's kind of like tans mixed through pinkishes and blues, a little bit over towards like a slate and like a mustard color on the outside. Same thing, 5.3 ounces, 426 yards, 100% acrylic. And this is the color Cat's Eye. And we have, how many of those do we have?
We probably have 4, actually.
These are so pretty. I'm so excited to work with them.
I think
If you guys have some ideas of what we can make with this, let us know in the description box below.
next up is this very light, orangish, greenish, purplish, and clownfish, actually.
Clownfish?
Yeah, it looks like a clownfish.
Oh, that's true, huh? The orange and white? That's a
yeah.
good idea, or a good description.
Its name is Fishing Well.
Wishing Well.
Wishing Well. Wishing Well. I got
Wishing Well.
What's that?
I like that color. I thought it was really cool.
This color
The
is
jewel tones. It's a lot of different jewel tones mixed in.
a lot of things. Yes. see one that I like. The next one is sadly the only one of this color.
No, there's more.
Really?
Yeah, those are all the same color. I got 4 colors. I ordered 4 colors. 4 skeins per, except the Dragonfly. I only got 3 of these. This is really cool though. It's got like the center point right in the middle for you to pull out. Do all of them have that?
This one is the last one. Very, very pretty. Oh no, I'm blocking the light. Very pretty. And its name is...
Wishing well. She pulled the last of the wishing well out.
Hey, really?
Yep.
I thought this one looked really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Actually, this one's the last one, sorry. This one is beautiful, like an ocean. That gives me the vibe of an ocean. It's called, I don't even know how to read that. Boho.
Buddah. This is Buddah color.
Oh, that has a long life.
Purples to browns to oranges, slates, turquoise.
We can make a blanket out of there because Buddhas have actually give a sign of more life.
I wonder if you can see the color. I hope you guys can see it. We're trying to show it to you. We've got lots of light outside, but it's like behind us.
And all the rest of these are boba.
Buddah.
Oh.
Buddah. I am seeing that it looks as though the centers
are stuck together.
Not stuck together, but
They're
actually seem really easy to find. Like there's a little knot in them. This one was like a pool knot. It had like just a little knot on the end. But it looks as though the centers should be really simple to find, so you shouldn't have like a big old yarn barf. Okay, so now that we are done with that unboxing and showing you guys the Mandala Tweeds that we ordered, we are going to show you some upcoming projects that you will see.
Basketball, Kobe.
You missed us right there.
Kobe. Go wax.
Hey.
I got 2 Kobe's now.
She's a Kobe. Sit up.
Kobe. Oh my God, Kobe. Oh, I want slam dunk.
Okay, so first off, the newest pattern that we had released was actually this laced up summer top. This top is made in a lightweight 2. It is designed to be oversized just for that nice hang, drape, airy feel. I'll put a couple of pictures on the screen for you guys to see. You can use it in lots of different colors, but be careful with the weight choice that you choose or the fiber choice that you choose, because sometimes it doesn't really, some yarns that you pick just don't have a really good drape to them. Okay, the next thing that you're going to see is Jolie's Boho Beach Cover-Up. Now, this is a really, really lightweight cover-up. It is a 3-weight yarn.
Very neon.
I do have a tie on it, so you can tie it, of course, to your sizing. We've left the back a little bit longer than the front. It's really customizable. It's a one size fits all toddler, one size fits all child. This is the child size, which would actually fit me, just kind of short and short on my arms and short on my length. But they are oversized. They're just designed to be like a beach or a pool cover up or something like that. And then for the adult size, there's a one size fits all adult and then a one size fits all plus size adult. And so it does come in 4 sizes.
And we will put pictures of the Boho beach cover up.
Jolie's Boho beach cover up.
Bahoma.
Okay.
Bahoma.
The next one is a baby blanket. My brother is going to have a baby in June, and I didn't want to make him just any blanket, and all of the blanket patterns I have are super girly, and he's going to have a boy. So I designed something that I think he would like that is unique, and you want to show it to him?
Sure. This baby starlight blanket.
Now this is going to be called Starfish. It does look like a starfish.
And a starlight.
It has lots of texture. It's made with regular double crochets and post stitches in the star, on the inner star. And then the outer star, the border, is designed to, I mean, depending on the color, I have some testers making it look like the starfish is in the sand, which is kind of cute. But it is designed to kind of take away a little bit of that shape and kind of start, not squaring it out, but I guess you could say like hexagoning it out, because it's, you know, 5 points. So keep an eye out for that one. That one should be either released all the way at the end of this month, the last day of the month, or just the beginning of May. The next one that I'm working on, I have it sitting right here. I'm actually still in the works. It's not even in testing yet. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but it is a shawl. Hey, look, they can see us through it.
Hi.
Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so this is a shawl. It is somewhat of an asymmetrical shawl. You start from the corner and then build it. And then build it to a wider part. So it's just worked from one corner to the next. It is somewhat, like I said, asymmetrical shawl. More, in my opinion, like a scarf. But a lot of people like to call them shawls. It's just a really large, cool looking scarf. And the yarn that I'm using for this one is the Ice Yarns Remix Cakes. It doesn't have a color here, but I think it's like reds and blacks. I'm using 2 cakes of this. All right, everybody, if you liked what we showed you and you want to follow us for the patterns that are to come, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button. Tell us how many more videos you want to watch with this kid.
Hey, I'm your daughter.
I know. Was it fun for you to do an unboxing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay, cool.
I want to do all of them with you now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys next time.
Wait.
Don't forget to find us on Facebook and Instagram under Jolie Knots Crochet. You can join us on the Jolie Knots Crochet community group on Facebook, and I will also leave the link down below for that.
Don't forget to, when you hit subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell and click all.
See you next time.
Bye.